What's going on, guys? My name's David Lee and today is Thursday, so it's 3-Minute Thursdays, and today we're going to be talking about how to edit a video to fit in your Instagram story. Welcome back to the channel. To all the new viewers, my name's David Lee and I am a photographer and cinematographer helping you guys improve on your content creation. So, today we're going to be talking about how to make a video for your Instagram story and how to edit it straight off your computer and put it to your phone. So, let's put the timer on the clock and let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is start with your sequence. Once you've completed your sequence, and if you need to know how to make your sequence, click on this video card here at the top of the video, wherever it may be, to check out the video of how to make a sequence that I did. So once you've completed your sequence, or whatever video you want to complete, it doesn't matter, you're gonna wanna be able to put it in the correct aspect ratio. So now let's go to your editing program and create a new file, a new sequence, a new project, whatever it may be. And we're gonna put it to the aspect ratio of 1080 by 1920. Now this is HD portrait mode. Depending on if you record it with your camera like this or like this. Now it really depends on that. If you recorded it vertically, then you're gonna have a lot easier time. But if you record it horizontally, that's fine too. You're just gonna have to do a little bit of extra work. Now, if you did it horizontally, you're gonna wanna go to your setting and rotate the clip -90 or +90, depending on how you record it. Otherwise, if it's already in the right side and you're doing horizontal and you don't need to rotate it, then that's fine. So we're gonna drag the clips in, throw the sequence in, and let's see what we already have. Now you don't need to rotate it if it's not like a talking sequence where you need to be vertical. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through each individual clip and look at it and see if it fits in the frame. Now if it doesn't, you're gonna wanna move the clip to the left or to the right to fit it in frame how you want it, because you're only gonna have this tiny aspect ratio width. The height is so much bigger than the width, so you're gonna wanna be able to fit what you need in frame. So we're gonna go through these clips and move what we need in frame. Now once you have everything in frame, you can throw text on if you want to. So we're gonna put some text over here. How to make tea. Swipe up to watch on YouTube. And now what we're gonna do is export this video through our custom settings because we are doing a vertical aspect ratio. So we're gonna do maximum depth, maximum render quality, export, and there we go. So now, however you do it, get it to your phone and add it to your Instagram story. And that is exactly how you edit a video for your Instagram story. So you wanna make sure that everything fits in the screen and you wanna make sure that everything is visible on the screen. Now, it doesn't need to be a sequence. It can be whatever you want. It could be a talking scene where I do that all the time. As for announcements, I record it in a vertical aspect ratio, edit it on my computer, send it to my phone, and put it in my story. And that's the effort that you need to put for your viewers to get more views, to build a relationship with them, and to make them happy. Do extra work for them. So, on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed this 3-Minute Thursday segment. Make sure you like the video, comment below, let me know. Have you ever done this technique? Have you ever put extra effort into your stories on Instagram or Snapchat by recording them, editing them, and sending them to your phone? Because this is a perfect way to get increased engagement for your followers. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and tune in to the next video. And I will catch you guys in that next video. Alright, catch you guys later.